whip, so I gotta zoom. They tryna talk, they not in the room. I've been so real, I'm dead to the tomb. They in the way, they gotta prove. I got the gas, they running the fumes. Told them way back, it's something new. Sit it down, you gotta choose. I'm taking what's mine, I'm doing food.
What happened to them? They broke yesterday when I was trying to clean them, and the bridge just collapsed. Preparing for hopefully LASIK. That's why I have to wear these things, these goggles.
What do you think about LASIK?
Well, I did the consultation first.
Yeah.
And then we can, or they discuss if you're a good candidate or not. Putting my business out there.
What are you doing, Kevin?
Cover everything. We're not trying to make mistakes.
You like working on Teslas?
Yeah,
Why?
because it's kind of easy car, everything. We do too many. Now it's too easy.
What about you, Luca?
What's up?
You like working on Teslas?
I like them. They're pretty simple. Aside from shrinking, which we got down, it's not too bad. I think that's just the most intimidating part when you get to these cars.
So it's gonna be coming from that way.
See how fast I am, dog? You saw me earlier with the BG. Now I already did a door.
I think by nice my fingers.
I wasn't gonna pay him.
Mom did that. She fucking went with contact, like not the surgery, but the consultation. It's like a 30-minute process. That's not good.
Go with your card. Huh? Card, your blue card. Oh, fuck is that?
Bottom real quick.
Morning, everybody. It's a beautiful day. Good to see you all again. A lot of beautiful gentlemen and fantastic vehicles. Let's see what's about to happen.
I like this. This is what I'm used to.
Oh yeah, everybody's gonna be asking us.
JL audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. At least 12, Fupe?
I'm sorry?
At least 12?
Yeah.
Nice.
Some JLs, these are good, man. I like JL audio.
The city shut our gas off at the other building for no reason because it thought it was vacant. You know, customer left his ear pods here 3 weeks ago or 4 weeks ago. He wasn't sure, and this is the last place that they pinged. I guess the last place he used them because they're Samsungs, so they probably didn't know where they were at, or yeah, they probably would just, you know, not as good.
Samsung's the stuff.
But you know, he didn't call, so if they were left in the showroom, if, you know, it's a big if, they could have been picked up by someone else. We don't know because you didn't call. That sucked. But you know, it's another day in the life. There's always something, and just keep banging them out and keep moving forward. Don't let it get in your feels. Don't let it get you in your feels. Too many people get in their feels. Just leave it behind you.
See about the river.
Same.
Hey everybody, we're gonna do the shop walkthrough today. We got a high country, all jacked up. That thing is sick. Full ceramic tint on every window. Took up a lot of space. We've got a Raptor R over here. This thing is awesome. This one has the actual V8, so it sounds good. Doesn't sound like all the V6 Raptors that go meh, meh, brr everywhere. I don't know why they did that to a truck. This one sounds right. Yesterday we had 3 Raptor Rs. That's like $450,000 worth. Today we just have this one. We did a full front paint protection film package on it, and this Tesla just got here for tint, so that's coming in soon for ceramic tint. Everything we do ceramic tint, so that's gonna keep saying it. It's repetitive. We did a full front and full ceramic tint on this Mercedes AMG. This one's getting ready to go home today. So is the Raptor. This Mercedes came in for tint. It's not inside yet. It'll be getting ceramic tint. This is from our friends at Town North Mazda, the new CX-90. It's a really new body style. It just came out. It's actually really good looking too. You guys should check that out at Town North Mazda. See our friends there. And we've got the new GMC truck coming in for 2 front doors as well. CX-5, Town North Mazda. We got to get those done and take them back so we can get more. We do the whole lot there. Let's go inside, see what's going on. We got a Dodge Ram here. It's getting a windshield tint only on this one. This one here is getting the sides and back tinted as we speak. And then this Silverado High Country, this is a 2500, or I believe it's a 2500. This one is getting a full paint protection film all the way around. We will also be doing a ceramic coating on the wheels, all the paint protected film areas, and the glass once the PPF is done. And we'll be finishing it off with the ceramic window tint too. This is a Model Y for a full paint protection film package as well. As you guys know if you watch our videos, if you don't, it's going to stop you from getting road debris, rock chips. You get a scratch or something like that, it's self-healing, so you don't have to worry about scratching your vehicle up, you know, when you wipe it down or anything like that. It'll self-heal. Obviously you want to be careful, but it's amazing. These cars will be both fully protected. And guys, you can see how busy we are in the summer. You don't have to wait till summer to get tint when you're so hot. You can get it all year round. It's Texas. It's going to make you happy all year round. It's going to be worth it. But everyone does it when they're hot, and that's good for us too. we just want to let you know, if you're watching, get tint when it's cooler. It's still Texas heat, it's still Texas sun. You're still getting UVA, UVB. It's protecting you. It's going to keep you cooler, keep your interior from getting damaged. Do it all year round. That's a shop walkthrough.
Just doing a alcohol wipe. I've already clay barred this area. I'm wiping it with alcohol, just straight, and I'm gonna blow it out. I'm gonna spray it with my tank and blow it out right before I install.
All right, everybody. So all year I've been keeping a secret from you, and we've been pouring our heart into this. I want to unveil something to you. We have a 10,000 square foot shop that we will be opening next year. Probably sometime at the beginning of the year, we're gonna have a grand opening. I can't hide it from you anymore because we have this massive sign bigger than an Escalade. So people are already talking. I can't hide it. I want you guys to see it. Come inside, I'll show you what we've been doing. We have a long way to go, but it's gonna be sick. So this is gonna be the entrance, the reception area. It's gonna be super nice. It's all custom built out. We actually tore all of this down. Since this is an old building, it used to be really small in here, low ceilings, like I could touch them like right here. Everything was small and really just old. It didn't look good at all. Wood paneling, and all these are like small rooms. So we knocked it all down, opened it all up, raised the ceilings. We're gonna make it modern, like a multi-million-dollar house. We're almost there. So we'll be showing you more as we do this every week, so you guys can see the progress. There's gonna be someone to meet you right there. There's gonna be a little area where we show you your window tint and paint protection film here. This is gonna be the area for you guys when you're waiting. We're gonna have like a little area there with like a bar, a little table where you got your phone chargers, your laptop out to work. We're gonna have a full coffee bar with a sink, refrigerator built in, like all out, everything you need. All the drinks. This is gonna be our waiting area as well. This is all the waiting area. We're gonna have TVs on all the walls. We're gonna have a fireplace for you to enjoy. Really nice custom bathrooms. You know, obviously we got a little bit of ways to go. This is going to be the management office for our general manager, our manager, maybe some flat glass stuff, just main office work going on in here. I've never had my own office before. Finally, it's going to come true. After 20 years in my own business, I have my own room. I'm gonna close the doors and get away and do what I need to do when I need to do it. It's really hard with all the action going on in a small place. Now I'll be able to kind of lock myself in and focus a little bit more. We may turn it into a podcast office as well, because that could be coming in the future. I think it will. Come into the shop. Ta-da! So obviously it's a little bit bigger than what you're used to seeing. This is going to hold about 20 cars to work on at one time. So we could probably store 30 or 40, but we're going to work on 20 at one time once we fill it up. We will have a ceramic coating area, a paint protection area, and a window tint area, all separate. Over here is going to be a break room. In our store now, we have one restroom, so the customers, 10 employees inside their tent at one time use one restroom. It's a nightmare. Here we've got 2 restrooms here. Customers got 2 restrooms of their own, so they don't have to mix with the employees. We got 3 doors. We got an insulated door going in, all new lights, new AC, insulation, all new paint going down. Just re-strip the whole place down and put it back together so it's like state of the art, hopefully nicer than any car dealership you've ever been in. So we got a break room. That's all it's going to be with restrooms and everything. We got a storage room. We'll have our washing machines in there so we can wash our towels and everything, and dryer. Over here, as at the moment, this is going to be a gym. I may have a sauna, infrared dry sauna in here, some gym equipment, treadmill, and I also have a custom shower for myself and my family, and another restroom for the guys in the shop. And then back there, probably gonna have a room to cut the film, just to cut the PPF film. Have some PPF stuff in there. And this whole area back here is going to be for paint protection film. So the guys will come in, they'll just be over here. This area where I'm standing to that wall to wall, that's bigger than the shop we're in right now. It's actually crazy that just the PPF guys, they're probably gonna have at least a spot for 8 cars. So we'll be looking to fill that up. I'm thinking about 10 cars getting tinted at a time, you know, and then several cars waiting, and should be about 20 cars in here at a time once we figure this all out. There's a lot coming in. We're gonna have a couple lifts over there. I've got 4 Tesla chargers going in as we speak. They're already wired. A lot going on. You guys are gonna see the progress. I don't wanna give too much away yet, but it's a big shop, and we're gonna continue working on it, keep showing you. Stay tuned. One more thing I want to tell you. Last week, you know, I was on vacation, and it was the hottest week in Texas. So I went to Florida, and happened to be cooler in Florida than it was here in Texas, which is crazy. I was on the beach, it was like 85. You guys are dying over here, I heard last week. Well, with that heat wave, while I was on vacation, our team had a record week without me, which it's pretty awesome, I'd say. I just wanted to say thank you to our whole team. I know they're working hard. I know they went through some challenges. Every week's they've got its new challenges, but they stayed together. Everybody's still here this week. Everything's normal. Everything's good. So I just want to say thank you to you guys. I don't say it enough, so you're gonna see it. It's a surprise. Thank you guys. I want the world to know how much I appreciate you. A record week, no boss. Y'all are the bosses, and that's kind of the culture that we have, and I appreciate it. Like, subscribe, ring the bell, and we'll see you next time.